Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting essentials ready. Open Roblox, sign in, and verify your email if it isn't already confirmed. Once done, make sure your phone is nearby because Roblox sends codes to the address or device you'll register. Use a permanent personal email rather than a temporary one so recovery works later. Also, double-check your password now. If you need to change it, do that first so you don't lock yourself out while adding two-step verification. Now go to Settings, pick Security, and choose Two-Step Verification. Select whether you want codes via email or an authenticator app. Authenticator apps are faster and more secure, but email works if you prefer. When prompted, enter the code sent to your chosen method to link it to your account. If Roblox shows recovery or backup codes, copy them somewhere safe. These let you regain access if your phone is lost. Finally, confirm and save the changes to activate two-step verification. Finish by signing out and signing back in to test the new protection. You should be required to enter a code. Store any backup codes offline. A printed copy or password manager is ideal, and do not leave them on the same phone to avoid single points of failure. If you don't receive codes, first check spam folders and email filters. Then ensure your device clock is correct because time drift breaks authenticator codes. If problems persist, redo the 2SV setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.